Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title, I am going to be doing a full face using only Morphe products. Because of work, I have a full kit of Morphe products and Morphe brushes and sponges and all that stuff. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. All the Morphe products. Here we go. So first I prime my face with their Equalizer primer. It's really good. I usually use the Professional one by Benefit. Now I'm going to go in with their foundation. I had to mix a couple of them just to try to get as close to my skin color as possible. I usually use the It Cosmetics CC Cream. I also forgot to mention that I used their sponge. For concealer, I just used the lightest one that I could possibly find. They have a lot of selection of colors, so it's really hard to find your skin color in their concealers and foundations. I use Shape Tape every day, so the applicator is definitely different. I usually use the Real Techniques sponge, but I really like this one. Super bouncy. Okay, so setting powder is literally the only thing I did not have from Morphe, but the Coty Airspun is really affordable, so I use it every day. So people who have thicker eyebrows don't usually use pomades for their eyebrows, but no shame in the game. I use this one every day. Jaclyn Hill palette, of course, and I went in with my favorite shade, Pukey. I use this every day as well. It's just like the perfect, like, warm brown for every day. The shade right here is perfect for inner corner highlight. I also do this almost every day. Now, I was really surprised by their felt tip liner. I usually use the Stila one, but this one just glides on so easily. I was honestly shook. I probably shouldn't pull on my face like that, but I've been doing it for years and that's the way I know how to do it. I believe this is the Glamour Bronze Face and Body Bronzer. It's like a warm... I put too much. It's a really warm bronzer and I feel like it looks pretty good for every day. I use this one also almost every day. I noticed that it was harder to blend on this foundation than it is to blend on the It Cosmetics CC Cream. That's why I'm having such a rough time. So this right here is the 8C Cool Pro Blush palette. I use these two warmer shades over here. I really like peachy blushes. Right now I'm using the Kylie one, shade Close to Perfect. This is the 8L Lofi Sculpt and Shimmer. I use the shade Stardust just to give like a little bit of a highlight. I never do highlight ever, so this was just a bonus. Now this is the Triple Threat Mascara. I'm really liking this mascara. I usually use the Better Than Sex one by Too Faced, but something about this wand and the way it separates my lashes, I love it. Here I'm going back in with Pukey and just doing a little shadow under my eye. I don't like doing any eyeliner or mascara on my bottom lash because my lashes are so long down there that I always get smudge. And honestly, I feel like this looks more fresh. Lippy time! So I let my boyfriend choose between Leo and Mannequin, and he ended up choosing Mannequin. I really wanted to do Leo because it's more of a warm shade, but I guess this will work. It was lighter, so I feel like I would use this more for like the daytime. Forgot to mention that this was from the Jeffree Star collection with Morphe. This is my favorite setting spray ever, the continuous setting spray from Morphe. I also use this literally every day. And that is it. That is basically what I do with my regular makeup, but only using Morphe makeup. So that concludes this quick little video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys had any questions about like whether their foundation or concealer or anything like that is good, honestly, I would give it a shot. Now, I'm not going to be using Morphe every day because I do have like regimen that I like to follow every day, and I like to use other products like It Cosmetics and stuff like that just because my skin reacts really well to it. But in case of an emergency or if I run out of any makeup, then I know that I can use the Morphe and I get results that are pretty close to what I usually do with my makeup. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.